Hello everyone, and welcome again to a new lesson of Microsoft Excel powered by Smallhead Big Wisdom. Today I'm gonna talk about some functions related to text. So the first one that I'm gonna explain is called len, that is the short way of length. So it's basically used to count the number of characters of a string of a cell content. So we can use two ways. Here in formulas you can insert. For instance, let's write a word. For instance, small head big wisdom.com, and so I'm gonna count the number of characters of this text. So I place the cursor here, insert function, and then text. I can choose the category and then length. So it shows what is the text where I want to count. Just click and hit OK. And it shows that this string has 26 characters. But this is when you don't remember the name of the function, but after you know, you can do it directly. Equal, all formulas must start with equal. Length, you can press the tab key here, the tab, to put the parenthesis directly. So equal length tab, and then click on the text that you want to count the characters and hit enter. Excel automatically closes the parentheses, as you can see here. So this is the way to calculate or to count the characters of a string. If I change, for instance, let's copy this to another cell, Control C and Control V, or copy and paste. For instance, another word, excellence, automatically updates because here the formula says length A4, column A and row 4. Here was A3, column A and row 3. So it's counting this text, here is counting this one. Okay, this is very useful, especially when you need to manipulate text. Later I will show some examples, but this is the basic function. So another function that I want to talk about today is the function trim. The function trim basically is for removing all extra spaces except for the normal space between words. For example, I want to write life, and I'm gonna leave one space and hit enter. So how to know how many characters? Using the previous function, equal length tab, click on A8 and hit enter. So in total the length of this word is 5 characters, because 4 plus the space that I just left. So after trim, let's see, and it should show 4 characters. Equal trim tab to put the parentheses, and look at the function only require the text. I can click on live and hit enter. So trim already removed the space. Let's count again, length, tab, click, and it will count the number of characters of the new word, that is 4, because the space was already removed by this function trim. So if I add here, double click, one space at the beginning, so it shows that in total there are 6. One character at the beginning, 4 letters, 5 plus one character at the end, 6. After trim, it removed both, so in total there are 4. Okay, this is very important because we just create the function, the formula once, and after I update the origin, it will automatically recalculate the formula. So let's use one sentence. Life is excellent. So let's calculate the length, tab, click. In total, there are 17 characters in this sentence. The spaces, the normal space I consider also characters. So now after trim, let's see what happened. Tab, click, and let's count here to enlarge the width. Let's count how many characters this sentence has. Automatically the same, because the spaces, the normal spaces between words are not removed by the function trim. So now let's add 2 characters at the beginning. So there are in total 19 characters from this sentence, but after trimming it's removed the 2 leading characters, and that's why it shows 17. Okay, so later I'm going to explain other functions and do some practical exercises for you to see how efficient the functions are. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you soon at Small Head Big Wisdom.